Toyota's humanoid robot, the Motoman SDA-10, showcases remarkable culinary abilities, cooking pancakes, and engaging with customers about their sauce preferences. This exemplifies the promising role of robotics in food preparation. In a significant advancement, Connected Robotics has developed a fully automated kitchen that specializes in traditional Japanese meals. This innovation effectively addresses labor shortages in the restaurant industry by enhancing efficiency and autonomously executing diverse tasks. Meanwhile, the Ratio Cafe and Lounge in Singapore employs robots to prepare over 50 beverage varieties, creating a unique customer experience through automation and interactive ordering systems. Notably, the Chinese startup Astrobot introduced the S1 robot, capable of cooking, serving wine, and mimicking human movements. This showcases the increasing prevalence of robotics in the food sector. Further advancing technology, Moli Robotics has introduced the first personal chef robot, which autonomously cooks and cleans, having been trained by a professional chef. This highlights the seamless integration of advanced technology into household environments. The Toyota Research Institute achieved a breakthrough in generative AI, enabling robots to acquire new skills rapidly without explicit programming. This innovation enhances their utility in everyday situations, paving the way for more interactive and adaptable machines. In another leap forward, Miso Robotics launched Flippy, a kitchen robot that automates frying and food preparation tasks and is currently utilized in major fast food chains. Flippy significantly streamlines kitchen operations. Richdeck Robotics introduced the Atom robot, which automates drink preparation, merging efficiency with entertainment. Customers can place drink orders via touchscreen, elevating their service experience. Additionally, the rise of bartender robots like Scorpion illustrates how AI and robotics can personalize service in bars, tailoring drink preparations based on individual customer preferences and interactions. In China, automated restaurants employ over 40 robots for cooking and serving, offering an expansive menu of 200 dishes while minimizing human contact. This model prioritizes a fast and hygienic dining experience. The Flippy 2 robot in the United States is specifically engineered to automate cooking processes while engaging customers by displaying its culinary skills. This interactive approach fosters greater customer engagement in fast food environments. Innovative startups are also creating fully automated kitchens, such as PZI Robotics Pizza Maker, which can produce 100 pizzas per hour without compromising quality. This represents a significant leap in food production efficiency. Moreover, the USCA robot exemplifies precision in preparing eggs, showcasing how automation can enhance food quality and consistency, particularly in hotel settings, addressing the challenge of staff shortages. Humanoid Robot Eve further pushes the boundaries by utilizing artificial intelligence to perform complex cooking tasks and develop recipes, illustrating the potential of AI in various culinary applications while enhancing customer interactions. In Nairobi, the Robot Cafe features robotic waiters that improve the dining experience by integrating technology with human service, presenting a distinctive approach to restaurant automation. The Monty Cafe offers versatility, capable of serving not just coffee but also desserts and snacks, thus broadening its functionality across different dining contexts. By mastering the brewing of various coffee types and maintaining precise measurements, the robot ensures consistently perfect flavors tailored to individual preferences. However, despite their speed and efficiency, robotic baristas struggle to replicate the artistry and personal touch intrinsic to traditional coffee preparation methods.